About 5 years ago, I was buying skis, and I bought a product that I thought I'd really like, and I never really got used to the skis. I'm a product engineer, and I worked as a designer in the golf industry, so I had the know-how of how to put a system together for custom skis, and I thought that there was a better way to buy and sell skis. My name is Pete Wagner, and I'm the CEO and founder of Wagner Custom. We are a ski manufacturer in Colorado, just downstream from the Telluride ski resort. Our specialty is making custom-fit skis and snowboards. Wagner Custom has an interesting crew of about 10 people, everybody from engineers to mathematicians to artists. If it snows more than 4 inches, we all go up and ride and show up at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. A lot of skis today are sold as more of a commodity than a specialized product, and we're offering something that's an alternative to just a mass-produced, off-the-shelf product. The benefit is that we can create something that matches a person's wants and needs and skiing style, which will enable them to have more control when they're skiing and have more fun when they're out on the mountain. So once we have a finalized design, then the person's skier DNA and design specifications go into our production process. The first step is we determine the appropriate core material as well as sidewall and edge material. The CNC milling machine will cut out our cores three-dimensionally, cut our base material to the precise shape that it needs to be, and we taper the sidewall material. Our steel edges will be bent to the appropriate shape. Once we have all of the materials laid out and organized, we do what's called a wet layup process. We start with the base material and steel edges as the first layer. We wet this out with our glue system, and we put down a layer of fiberglass on that. We wet out that layer, put down the wood core and sidewalls, wet out that layer, another layer of fiberglass or whatever structural layer we're using. Then we put on the top sheet. Once we have all of these components ready and organized, we'll put them into our heated press. At this stage, the skis or snowboard is pressed for about 30 minutes. This is where the camber and tip and tail upturns are actually pressed into the ski. This process takes about 30 minutes. We'll then pull the skis out of the press. Our finish process begins with cutting out the skis on a bandsaw. We'll then bevel the sidewalls and clean up the sidewall material. Sand the bases to get them flat. Then put in a structure which is actually specified to the type of snow that the client is going to be skiing in. Then we'll bevel the side edges and base, and finally we'll wax the skis and prepare them for shipping. People in Telluride are very supportive of Wagner Custom because we're passionate about skiing and riding, as are the people who live in Telluride. So it's a good match.